Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech or Mike Harmon, and I want to thank you guys for helping me get to 4,000 subscribers, and I have got an exciting 5,000 subscriber giveaway. First and foremost, I did a review of these nifty little 3D pens, and I'm going to give away this cool little elephant pen to somebody after we hit the 5K subscriber mark. It's going to have to be somebody at my school, so it's easy to deliver it to them. I'll show you at the end of this video how to submit your name to possibly be one of the winners. Along with the 3D printing pen, I will be giving away a sweet HLModTech keychain. These I will mail to you wherever you are in the world, so make sure you give an accurate email address so that when it comes time to contact the winners, I can get you notified that you have won. Each of you can submit one entry. Also, keep an eye out for videos teaching you how to make your own designs, because I am going to let the HLModTech Glowforge design be designed by one of you using the workflows that I'm sharing. So friends, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. If you've got a question or a comment, add it down below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.